You said I like shooting in easy places. Like my last shoot was done in the studio, or if I'm doing natural light, I'm in a very plain area, no challenge whatsoever. I'm thinking of the busiest place we can do this shoot, and it's Makola. But if we know Makola and we know it to be as busy as it is, it means I can't go and do any setup. So I have to go with very little gear. So like I'm very handy, moving about, like stealing shots, stealing locations, being very quick about it. Because we don't even know how people are going to react as well when they see the camera, when they see us shooting a model. I really don't, I don't know how they're going to react. So then I have to go with as little gear as possible, right? So one lens, one camera should do the trick, right? I'm just gonna limit myself with one lens and just my camera. I think this is my 100, I don't need a 100. I'm not going to be doing any macro shots. Oh, this is a 35. This is my 24-35. I don't know. I think I'll just go with my 85. It's my best bet because I'll be blurring people in the background and stuff, and I can do 1.4. So I'm just gonna put my wide to the side as well. Drop the flash. No, I may need to light it up. I don't know the lighting conditions I'm gonna face. So I'll use the flash. I can hold it. What's my trigger? I need a trigger for the flash. So I'm gonna find the trigger for the flash, and this is going to be my kit. So my camera, my 85, and then my flash. So that's it. I'm tempted to add my 35 actually, my wide. But no. Okay. 85, camera, one flash, no reflector, nothing. I can make this work. Let's go shoot. Okay, so now we've arrived at Makola for the photo shoot. But obviously there are people who take care of the place. And so the first thing that we need to make sure we do is let them know that this is what we are here to do. So if they see us taking pictures, there's no one going to question us. And so we asked around to find who we could talk to tell them or make them know that this is what we plan to do here. Afterwards, when they gave us permission, all we had to do now was to look for locations. And so we were walking through the market to look for any bright and colorful spaces that we could shoot in. And I found this place where there were a chain of stalls where the women were selling African print fabrics, and I felt that really worked with what the model was wearing. She was wearing this pink dress with the yellow kimono, and I felt putting her in the middle or just around some of the stalls is really going to work well. So one thing that was in my mind when I was planning this Makola shoot was I was thinking that the people there are not going to be receptive to us. But when we went and we started talking to them, they were so open, they received us warmly, and then they even allowed us to shoot in some of their stalls, and that was pretty amazing. Julie, the model, did really well because we're in public and she was able to keep her composure. She was able to pose. She didn't really care about us being in public in an open place like that, and she was really able to deliver. So kudos to Julie. She did really amazing, and we got awesome images at the end of the shoot. So moving on to our second look, I wanted to capture more motion in the outfit because the dress itself was flamboyant, and she in the dress was waving it around, creating more character in the dress. And it's around 3:30 p.m. so there's a lot of direction in the sun, and that is my main light source. That's what I'm using to light her. I'm still using my Canon EOS R and my Sigma 85mm 1.4 lens, and I'm trying to capture full body shots and also going close to her to capture a little bit more detail in the dress as well. So I'm also going to leave you guys to enjoy more videos and some of the images as well as the camera settings, and then we're going to move on to the third look.
I'm waiting for something to change, 'cause when I'm not here, it's like I'm falling, and I don't know why I feel pain, 'cause when I'm not here, I keep on falling. I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you. Yeah, I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you.
For my third and final look, I incorporated flash, and the reason why I did that is because the sun was behind her and it was flaring into the lens, so it's reducing contrast. So in order to expose for her properly, I needed to introduce flash, and so I'm just using my speed light, the Godox V860 Mark II, and I'm just adding a little bit of a pop to light her up and separate her a bit from the background. I'm waiting for something to change, 'cause when I'm not here, it's like I'm falling. So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like as it supports my channel. Leave a comment, tell me which of the outfits or the images is your favorite down below. And if you haven't subscribed, if you're new, please consider subscribing. I've also seen massive growth, so welcome to all you new subscribers. I have a lot more videos coming. I'm trying to drop videos twice a week, so stay tuned for all of my upcoming content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you. I keep looking, I keep searching.
It's been what?
I was afraid, but
But it's been what?
awesome.
It's been awesome.
Yeah, I'll be waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you.